At Better Than Real Grass, we offer a variety of artificial grass products that are perfect for any homeowner. The installation of artificial grass will help you reduce water consumption because high annual cost of watering and maintaining a natural lawn is one of the first issues that arise when choosing this option. In addition to the fact that it is not very ecological and not at all friendly with the serious global water situation that the planet is suffering from. Consider the high maintenance costs, fertilizer, weed control, and bug control. With artificial grass for sale from Better Than Real Grass, you can enjoy your yard year-round without having to worry about it getting muddy or dirty during certain seasons. Contact us and get a free quote.